I can't even look at the scanner. I know I'm wrong, but I just gotta get it back. Just one more trade.
Yeah. 6 a.m. the screens got that pale blue light. Got a whole damn watch list, but it don't feel right. Cause my eyes are glued, man, I'm locked in tight to the one damn name that ruined my last night. Swore I was done, swore I'd walk away, but I saw that pre-market dip, thought this is the play. I went all in and it bled all day. Now I'm stuck here staring, turning cold and gray. This ain't a trade, it's a toxic romance. I hate this ticker, but I'll give it one more chance. Short in the sunlight, long in the night, doing everything backwards, stuck in this fight. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight a trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my skin is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. My other monitors flashing, they plus setups, calling that other tickers breaking out a straight up hauling. My phone is blowing up, my trading group is brawling. You seeing this move? Man, I'm busy falling back in love with the pain, I guess. Adding to a loser, man, I'm such a mess. This ain't risk management, it's just a game of chess, where I'm the only pawn, filled with stress. I see the right move, but my hands won't click. This ticker's like a drug, man, it's making me sick. I just wanna break even, need that one last trick, but the hole just gets deeper, brick by brick. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Is this addiction, or is it just pride? Can't admit I'm wrong, but nowhere left to hide. Got this tunnel vision, everything else died. It's just me and this chart, side by side. I hate this stock, but I can't let it go. It's a sick obsession, watching my account blow. This was never the plan, man, I used to know how to cut the loss, how to let it go. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Spiraling. Down, down, down. It's everything for what? For this one damn name. Same time tomorrow, I guess. Damn.
Yeah, I remember that ticker about a week ago, lit up every screen. Man, what a show. Headlines were buzzing, volume through the roof. Everybody screaming out that bulletproof proof. They were chasing green candles, thought it'd never been, swearing this was it, that I would never end. But I've seen this movie, I read this page before, and I was just waiting for them to find the door. Now the crickets are chirping on the forums and threads. All the to the moon boys, they just went to bed. The news anchors moved on, found a shinier car, and now it's just a number, wondering where the buyers are. Support lines are cracking, but nobody hears the sound, cause they're all busy chasing the new talk of the town. They left this one behind like an old summer trend. But that's where my story, my friend, begins. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just riding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. It's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. It's not about the panic, it's not about the crash, it's not that sudden. 100-yard dash, it's the slow unwind, the return to me, the prettiest red chart I've ever seen. Every little rally gets sold right back down like the air's letting out of a carnival clown. No drama here, just a simple truth. The party's over and I'm checking out the proof. Yeah, it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. Some folks need the action, the volatility. They wanna get rich by 2:45. They like the battle, the push and the pull, but I just wait till the room ain't full. I wait for the quiet, I wait for the still, when that rock is just a rock rolling back down the hill. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. This sleepy fade, just writing it down, volume's all gone, back to normal, just a sleepy fade. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts. Gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all these chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah, stunning on the holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, the float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight, Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding backs, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just managing the risk, saving all the paper, boy. Yeah.
Righty, Green Team. Good morning. Good to be with you guys on this Tuesday. December has started. It's been freezing here in North Carolina, North Kakalaki. We were trying to figure out this morning on like 3 different devices. It was saying sleet on one, snow on the other, rain on the other. So it's been cold. We don't know what we're getting these days. They're trying to cover their bases so they're not wrong, is my impression. It's going to do something. And so I'm going to take that and apply it to trading as an analyst. Something's going to happen today, guys. It's going to rain, sleet, or snow in this market. Guys, looking for a bounce back day today. Looking for a green day, really a green day. I got TAOP. We're going to go over that. Been fading that one on down. And then AHMA, I think, is good potential there. This market's been rattling my brain. Small cap land has been. And then I heard of people taking really big losses yesterday on FLYE based off of that action. And then you saw us with SMX yesterday at the start of the day where the reclaim over 10 points. And then, dude, you know what's crazy with FLYE? When the thing dropped from whatever, like 20 something down to 8, I was like, ha, good luck. Good luck reclaiming that. And those were, I should have never said that. Fades, good morning, man. What's going on?
Man. Good morning, guys. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, the market heated up quick, and we saw some wonky action.
Dude, that reclaim, I would have never. I mean, yeah, it's just.
And then it halts up and holds a halt for like 30 minutes into after hours and gaps up like $10 first thing after hours. It did give a great trade after hours though on that fade, and it's looking good right now. I mean, we're watching. That's like one of my main watches right now is FLY.
But that's when something looks good.
Yeah,
that's bad news.
Yeah, so that's what I've came to terms with for myself is like I was kind of talking to you about, just sizing way down at the bell. Like after about 9 o'clock, I just know to size down like a third or half size of what I usually would, just to give the bell breathing room, right? And I think that's the right approach. Like we keep touching on it, but we just need to practice it more and sizing even smaller than we want to. Because like if you size super small in these plays, once you see that manipulation, then you can add to it instead of getting wicked out and stopped out. But like if you're sized, you're too tight, and you're inevitably going to get chopped out in these plays the way the market's been. So it's like size way down, wait for that manipulation, wait for the spike, short more. That's kind of what it's feeling like.
Yeah, no, I completely agree. I mean, that's I mean, we're dealing with the same things, I think, really in here is that it's like, man,
like we like big picture. We like big picture, and with Trade the Pool, it's not scalper friendly. So we're trying to hold for bigger picture plays, but the wicks are screwing us up. So that's why I'm thinking, like I was kind of talking about, like scalping within a big picture trade, like keeping a core on. Like when you see those flushes, you take some profit, add into those spikes. Like that's kind of my plan today with some of these big picture plays. Because I mean, we have several runners now that have been up 100, 200%. So, there should be some meat out there today. So
yeah, there's I do like. Let me see if I can figure this out.
But like, yesterday in the afternoon it was so fruitful. I'm just like, dude, why do I? Like, I just need to come in and start trading at 2, 3 o'clock. Trade till 6 every day. I mean, it's just so easy. It feels like it's just so less stressful.
End of day,
like afternoon shorts, like into after hour shorts. Like, yeah, of course you get the anomalies that like actually have warrior congregation, but 8 out of 10 of them are just dumb, dude, or just bearish after they pump.
Yeah, absolutely. So, the morning bell is
into that. Yeah, leaning into that, stepping back at bell, like I said, like just tiny size, just tiny size at bell, and then after like 10 o'clock, you start to kind of get a little bit more aggressive once the market showed itself some. But yeah, I mean, with the degree of this manipulation, just day in and day out, that's just going to be my path forward right now. If we have like true backside plays, obviously you can lean into those a little bit more. But especially as far as the fresh runners and like first days, got to let those breathe a little bit. Like maybe even give those longer, like another hour or so. It's all situational, but
Yeah, we're bigger picture, that's how we operate, and the market's been not rewarding that lately. Thankfully, this TAOP, I did smack that one on that reclaim this morning.
yeah, I shorted that
Yep.
yesterday, but I covered early.
Yeah.
I had a feeling that thing was going to go to $3. I covered at 350 though. That TAO or whatever.
Yeah,
That
yep,
final
yep.
play. Yeah, tail. Yeah. I got that after hours.
The only
I
other one I
covered.
have on, sorry, go for it. You
Oh
covered
no, I just
350.
covered on that first dump there. That 3-5 wash, the first one. That's where I
Mhm.
covered like way early. So and it
The only
moved.
other thing I have on is AHMA. I do like this one,
Yeah, someone
kind of
just
as a
mentioned.
hangover.
Yeah. Those are like the three. So CNCK, someone just
Mhm.
mentioned, and then ANH, ANM, whatever. The one you just mentioned is, and then Fly. Those are like the
Yeah.
top three from yesterday, and they're
Yeah.
all selling off right now, pre-market. So might be like a nice little mixed bag sprinkle there. But as like another thing we need to touch on is it's all about like timing and entry. That's been the key in this market because of the manipulation, right? Like you
Yeah.
can be in the right stock, but in at the wrong time. It's so key, especially now
Oh,
than ever with
so
how
true.
these stocks move. So like you got to be tactical with your entries. Like just because a play is good and a scam and a pig, like don't just immediately smack it heavy. Like pull it up, wait for that entry, take a starter. Like just don't get
Yeah,
too big
that's
for your
so
bread.
true.
Like I said yesterday to you, don't when you bite more than you can chew, it ends up making a mess.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely right. We have the right idea 99% of the time. It's just the sizing is that next ingredient variable that's so tricky at times. Just knowing, yeah, because you see something and you fall in love with the scam, and then that they can be irrational. They can be very irrational. So
Mhm.
we got a great point there. I love that. Mr. Gator, smoked tuna, perfect fall. Crow, you got the team, green team up in here. Good job, Gator, on being disciplined as far as just taking the QTTB yesterday. Very good. Avoiding a lot of the noise out there. Slowly motivate. See you as well. Good to have you in here. CNCK hangover. Yeah, so those are like the three hangovers we have. We touched on those. CNCK, I like it. I'm in AHMA right now and looking to maybe hit it again
We
on
got
a pop up towards 14 if she gets a pop on her this morning, and then FLYE as well. But there's a few more I do want to touch on. Is there any you want to look at, Mr. Feeds?
Yeah, we could just touch on the two intraday that are worth looking at are going to be EB and PLRZ today. Those are the intraday runners. So,
EB looks like an acquisition, likely doesn't
market.
really
Oh, is
move.
it? Was it? Oh,
Yeah.
that's Eventbrite. Okay, so that one's yeah. So pretty much the only thing we have on the daily is going to be PLRZ. That's going to be the king of the day at Bell, I guess. See
Which
what how that reacts. We know how
any
that goes. Like I don't even
anytime it
want
looks
to
weak,
bother. Like
I'm not touching it even if it looks weak because they just accumulate shorts, squeeze these things on out.
right. Like so, just knowing that at Bell is going to save us a
Yeah,
lot.
Crow, we're on the same tickers. I like WeBuy too. I was going to go over that this morning. WeBuy, yeah, here's the 5-day chart. Again, when I'm doing pre-market analysis, I use the 5-day looking at last week's gainers, and you get a real clear view on what's going on here. WeBuy is, I know we said yesterday it started looking like a we sell. So let's this got clear consolidation like the 230s from 220s to 30s. At 220 was a key level, right under it. It's on this previous close 212, but yeah, I do like that to break down.
So, yeah. Yeah, that CNCK has someone mentioned. I did really like the way that one was looking. Um, just that
You started
classic
it.
over the field to it.
You went ahead and
Yeah.
started it.
No, I didn't. Let me take a look at the spread. Let me so I'm gonna pull up my charts now. So, oh God, no, I didn't start it with a 50-cent spread. That's why I didn't start it earlier. That's why I
20
haven't been
cents.
in it.
Oh
That's
no.
why it's almost like, again, guys, the 4 o'clock swing method. Because why? Because like if you manage your position small, you could be in it. You could overnight it. you could swing it. You know, they liquidate you at 350, but you can get right back in. There's a bunch of volume at 4, and sometimes that's how we're going to have to redirect with these plays with the volume rule and the spread, because like the volume rule and the spreads make some of these trades almost untradeable until market open. Then there's the volatility, then there's the madness, and so that's something to consider. I'm starting to like to swing these plays, but I get the problem is you get wicked out of the 4 a.m. liquidation, so you have to be less ambitious and size less and give it that room, you know, like we talked about. So
Absolutely. Your VRCA worked out pretty well yesterday. by the way.
yeah, that's still on the list. Textbook downtrend there. But let's see how much meat. Yeah, I mean that one looks really good. Wow. Yeah, real bearish so far. So that's gonna be definitely one to watch.
Okay, and then we got FTEL. FTEL came out with like dividend news. Crow. The telepathy crow. We keep looking at the same ticker. 3 million share repurchase with 5 million share float, leaving 2. Yeah, FTEL. It's kind of sketch. They just that repurchase program, and then they got the dividend. If you buy with before the end of the year, they're giving like 10 cents, I think, per. Let me see, 10 cents per share, payable in cash, January 13th. So, yeah, it's probably. I mean, we had that. You remember it was like a sector in and of itself. Like every ticker started coming out with special dividend.
Yeah, dude, it's ridiculous. Like everything's so fluffy. But the Warriors will buy it up. So
everyone, they need 10 cents for sure. All right, so we got ZYXI, still interesting. That one went from 70 to 210, sitting around $1.30 right now.
Kind of basing a little bit.
Kidda, I kind of like too. Yesterday, I liked that short yesterday, popping up towards the previous close. Today, I still this one still looks pretty heavy, bearish to me, but 125-ish, 130 could keep it fairly tight on KTTA. So that one's still up from like 40 some cents last week.
Right.
AEHL, go ahead.
CSTE.
CSTE. Yeah. Oh,
Undercover fader.
That's
undercover dream. That's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I'll throw that one on the list. She's up from 80, 90 cents up towards about $2. 100% move the last few days. A little like a liquid-ish volume-wise.
Yeah.
But a blow-off move would be great.
At Bell could give you that volume to get in a little bit and ride it. CNCK, I want to try to get in it, you know, a little bit at Bell if the spread tightens up in our favor. Yeah, that volume rule and the spreads combined is kind of brutal. AEHL, that thing's a piglet. AEHL has kind of gone into the MTC category, right? Aren't those both China like junkers?
They're almost trading like that, yeah. Similarly.
So it's like we don't know when the rug pull's coming. That can be tricky, man. Those names, they just
AHMA, you know, a little pop off 12. I need that one to stay heavy. I like AHMA. It's very similar to CNCK. I know the CNCK is one of your favorites as well this morning.
yeah.
Trying to remember what this one was up on CNCK, but
Try hard holdings. Try hard holdings.
Okay.
Like what the heck kind of company is that? THH. It's like not even. I mean, it could be. Try hard holdings.
Oh my goodness. LGVN just came out with news, a little penny play, 9:15 news.
And then, is PLRZ holding up? What's that little piglet? Is that the new king or is it?
Bouncing off VWAP right now. It's
That's gonna
PLRZ.
be some bears and bulls fighting there at the bell.
It's just insane how like the long. It's just amazing to me how the longs have been like rewarded for holding like these tickers that they're buying up 500%. But that's the
Yeah,
market we've been in.
it's been pretty ridiculous, I gotta say.
Like then they see fly and they're like, no, I panicked. I had a 21 entry and I panicked at 8 and I could have just held.
Yeah, they're learning so many bad habits. Like when the market starts to get rough again for bulls, it's gonna be ugly, man. That could happen. It happens very quickly. Like
Mm-hmm. That
you
rug
know,
gets pulled.
it's tempting to have a mixed bag of these plays. You know, there's a lot of stuff that looks pretty good today.
Mm-hmm.
It's just tricky, the volume rule and the spreads right now. Like even VRCA, dude, $1.50 spread? Are you kidding me? Like some of these, like they're just untradeable. Like you got to swing them into the next day or wait till bell for some of these plays. There's no way around that. So something to consider.
The only ticker up really this morning in the low float lands PLRZ. It's tempting to just even like throw a YOLO long on it. As
Yeah,
in
it's like
like
the Warriors need to feed somewhere.
yeah, because this is the only thing they really have. And they're hungry.
The Warriors need,
Even after Thanksgiving.
they must feed.
Doug, good morning. I saw you had a good pre-market. What do you traded PLRZ 656 entry to 7.
Fly
Good work.
bid is 1260, ask is 1520. Like that is just ridiculous.
Good work, Doug. Excelente, excelente.
What else do we got? The retail trades are still holding up. We'd still be monitoring
Really?
those. They're starting to sleep
Oh,
out.
Coles, that 2520 ended up
Yeah,
holding
the
up. That
yeah, the
big boy.
Coles. That Coles might be an idea today.
15 to 24. Yeah, you're right. I don't mind like
mhm.
maybe. And then I
Also,
saw this
Abercrombie
chart.
Fitch, if oh, it's still grinding a little higher, but ANF.
ANF is.
So yeah, Armor curling around a little bit. SMX curling up a little bit. Fly.
Check the short interest on.
Fly looks like it might not be flying anymore, guys. It might be crashing. Also,
Yeah,
I mean, all three of those plays can get $1 or $2 spike at bell, and that's just the reality. So that's why, again, it's like size way down. You see an irrational spike, then you have the power to add into that. You know, you're not oversized at bell, and then you get wicked out and you get manipulated. Like, I think that's how.
so KSS has a 25.81% short interest, which may be, I mean, they're heavily shorted, and they have been for a long time. Let's check out ANF, Abercrombie. Yeah, I mean, I get it, right? It's like, yeah, they're. How are these stores still in business? We just went over that, and then I just saw yesterday all these restaurants near me are about to shut down. Like, there's just so much shutting down, and so ANF 12% short interest.
Okay.
Yeah, so just probably a little higher short interest plays, but yeah, guys, going into the bell, PLRZ probably where the Warriors are at. Well, very
Warrior
likely.
congregation there.
We're gonna be focusing on some backside like plays like CNCK. I know is one of our favorites. AHMA I like, but God, if they spike this one, it had a ceiling at about 14. 1430s is the previous close. I'm already in this and looking to hit it again up towards 14 if she gets it. But AHMA, I'm in that one, and then CNCK and what was the last one? Fly. Yeah, Fly. And then SMX, dude. I mean,
yeah, my top 3 are gonna be SMX, Fly, and CNCK. Top 3 watches off rip. I like VRCA a lot. That looks really good. Alma, the curl, not a huge fan of it, but it could be given good entries. I mean, this, it's just at Bell, like all these plays sketch me out. So, I think bigger picture, they all could fade. I mean, because Alma didn't have any news, right?
no, it didn't. But it
Fly didn't have news, I don't think. SMX has fundamentals that aren't good. They're trying to pump it. It's just pretty much a diamond hand story. I think I saw something about Fly, like the Wall Street Bets guys were trying to get on it and pump it, but obviously that wasn't working. It's lower right now.
I like the WeBuy a lot. I know it's boring, but I really want to focus boring going into today.
Okay, WeBuy.
I've been getting like this actions. WeBuy looks like a clean breakdown kind of play. So that's one of my top watches there. WeBuy.
And you're just in Alma right now?
Yeah, just in Alma.
Okay.
But you know what? If PLRZ, they dump that, they're going to one of these plays. That's the only concern. If PLRZ dumps out of the gates, they're going to go to Alma, Fly, SMX, one of these.
Yeah. Yeah.
QTTB. Yeah. QTTB is...
Yeah, that's another one worth mentioning. Already faded a good bit, but, still something there.
Yeah, definitely still something there. Still on the back burner list, yeah. She's a good one. Ended up just being a clean fade. But yeah, guys, any other tickers you want us to take a look at? Again, Warriors, PLRZ. Outside of that, we're going to be focusing backside. Again, if I were to trade this thing, I'd be throwing yellow long on it. Yeah.
Which ticker? PLRZ?
Yeah, it would yellow as in 25 shares, something ridiculous.
So the news was successful completion of the nasal spray. I mean, laughable, but it could be a Warrior.
Warriors need that nasal spray.
Yeah, it might be better than it sounds. Sounds like a joke, but it might be the hype of the day.
Yeah. All right, a few minutes. This is gonna be.
God, all these.
Yeah, tuna.
I can't get anything right now, bro.
Fly,
$2.50 spread. SMX $1.50. Vorka $1.50. CNCK 50 cents.
And Alma's gearing up a little bit.
This is on Webull too, because Webull matches trade the pool data. So it's not just like trade the pool sucks. It's just like the certain data services that aren't higher tech, like spreads just suck so bad on some of these micro small cap plays. So even the bigger ones.
Fades, why are you promoting the Warriors?
Who's that?
Smoke Tuna was asking. Yeah, we're definitely doing the opposite of that. We just like to figure out where those where they're going,
We're your congregation. Yeah, keep your friends close, your enemies closer. Remember that. This is war out here, guys. Especially at 9:30. This is true war. Don't kid yourselves.
I know, for real. And then
And
it's
with that
like
being
if
said,
we're
I'm
in,
gonna sit in the back. I'm gonna sit in the back instead of going on the front line and going all in. Right? I'm gonna sit in the back. I'm gonna sit in the back and shoot the cannon. I'm gonna have my sniper rifle. I'm gonna be in the back. You know, I'm gonna let everyone else go ahead.
you're letting the Warriors
Start of the war.
be on the front line, you're in the back like on your drone. I
In
got
the
you. I got
medical tent, flirting with the nurse.
you. You're in the medical tent. Oh my god. You injured yourself.
Oh boy, it's funny.
Yeah. Yeah,
Alright.
this is war. So CNCK is already looking a little weak, unfortunately. It'd be great to get an entry there.
I mean, the bid is at 6 too, but the tape is also getting printed at 6s. I might take it's just gonna be like a tiny starter there, essentially. Because like the bid is where the price is printing, so it's actually not that bad of a fill right now because it's slamming down. There's pressure right now, guys. There's not much volume, but
About a
there is
minute.
some to get involved. What's this?
Yeah, Doug, it's great learning both sides, learning how both sides operate is very important. Even if it's not what you're going to do, learn why other people are thinking what they're thinking because it certainly helps. We buy is popping here.
Just not
Okay.
enough volume for me to get involved. Even a starter, I can't even take a starter. Not enough
FTL
volume.
dividend. Yeah. QTTB looking kind of heavy. We buy getting a pop. FTEL with the dividend spiking up a little bit.
PLRZ getting ready for Wiki Wonka there, guys.
Yeah, something I've tuna definitely lately have need to do more of, just being more patient. Always a good thing. All right, let the party begin, traders. See what they're gonna do with PLRZ. FTEL getting a little wild too. God dang it, dude. PLRZ's all over the place.
Yeah.
We knew it was gonna be though.
Oh yeah, because they need something. Marty McFly.
We buy. I'm gonna probably start her up. Here soon. Got a little spread on it.
Which one?
PLRZ and just monitoring that one. Or we buy, sorry, we buy.
Yeah, flies dumping.
PLRZ all over the place. I mean, not.
Yeah.
That looked like it was selling off, now spiking. What? So fly, you said's dumping?
Yeah, flies dumping.
Yeah, I'm gonna start that one too. Fly. I'm gonna throw a little starter on fly, guys. 15-ish risk. And I'm in AHMA, but fly, sketch city.
I mean, SMX had a little pop, but now a little lower.
CNCK's looking good, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start CNCK. CNCK's looking like it's about to SHIT the bed.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so that's CNCK, little spready. Fly. I mean, they're just kind of sitting here. Then AHMA, I'm still with this one, but she's kind of holding 12 right now. QTTB heavy under 380s. FTEL on the dividend news. Yeah, that one's looking all right.
Orca. VRCA is interesting. Spreads a little bit better. Yeah, CNCK, let's see that crack. Alma kind of staying there. CNCK feels really good, man.
Kidda is real heavy against 120. Kidda's real heavy against 120.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot to look at. Yeah, slowly motivate. Yeah, I mean it's that's been what's happening here lately. Just Long's getting rewarded for the irrationality, but when it stops working, man, it's gonna be brutal. It only lasts forever. Good morning, Emmanuel. Good to see you in here. PLRZ, wait for the pullback for entry for the upside. Yeah, that's what's been going on. And honestly, what's been happening is wait for it to look like it's done, like cracking and looking heavy and bearish, and then she gets that next leg on up.
The sky fall.
Alma's kind of not
CNCK, guys.
looking good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more on it. Alma's not entirely cooperating with me. I might be having to take that one off. Giving it a little time here, Alma.
Mm-hmm.
But she's creeping up. Yeah,
How's Cole's looking? Cole's slowly gonna sell off? That might be a nice slow fade, man.
KSS, yeah.
Handle Cole's. Wow.
KSS looking good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take some, bro. CNCK though on elevator watch.
I know it is, dude. I feel like getting kind of heavy-ish there.
Let the sky fall and it come home.
It's just not that it's not getting the follow-through momentum. CNCK. I'm sizing CNCK a bit, guys. I think
They're pumping SMX up as well. It's worth noting. Fly lower.
CNCK lower. We buy, they're pumping up a little bit. CNCK looking real good.
Yeah, CNCK key level break there.
CNCK looking really good, guys.
Let you come home.
Oh my God, CNCK. Come on. Come to Papa. Fly starting to work a little bit. All right. CNCK, need that one to stay heavy though. I know when Fades is saying CNCK. I know that means it's she's good. YDKG spiking up right now. Here's a low
Bag holder,
float.
burial, and fly.
Oh yeah.
PLRZ wash.
Yeah, they're
PLRZ
pumping. Let me
halt
see.
down, maybe. Nasal spray disaster. PLRZ halting down, guys. I don't think I'm not chasing it today, man. Everything's been a trap. I watched it happen. I'm just not chasing it.
I'm hitting it tiny, like 100. Oh no, yep.
Fake halt.
Fake.
Dude, what is this trap, dude? Like this manipulation.
I'm out.
This manipulation is disgusting. Do we go long now?
Maybe.
Probably. You know, it's like I've had enough of this, man.
I'm going.
Is fly halted down? Let's go. Fly away. Fly away.
Tweet.
PLRZ. I might long it off that wick and then reverse bear bull hybrid.
Yeah. I'm with you.
Yep. That's
going long against the 630.
628.
627.
Can't beat him, join him, boys.
627. We'll see.
I'll flip short, smaller into the halt.
I never, ever long any of this crap, and this will probably be the time it doesn't work. So, just FYI.
Let's go, boys. PLRZ the moon boots on.
It was looking weak, looking like it was halting down, and popped up. Yeah, you're right. It's like flip long.
Get your moon boots, boys. Get your moon boots, boys.
I don't want to be a I don't want to be a pessimist, but because we long this, I just feel like it ain't gonna work. You know,
of course it's not.
It ain't gonna work.
But that's why I'm just like I said, if I get stopped out, I'll just flip short. Well, I'm going with small size, guys. This is not like a big size trade.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah, still looking bearish, man. I just didn't like that fake haul. Everything's been upside down, so they might even sweep it to a little bit under that wick to get everyone out and then halt it up. Like I could see that.
Just drag your stops down. Just drag your stops
down.
Gross.
Drag it down. You're good.
Just keep dragging your stop down to zero. Just keep dragging it on down. No.
Fly, bag holder, wasteland, CNCK behaving real well.
PLRZ, yeah, looking stop down.
Yeah.
I can't get reeled into this ticker, dude. I can't do it. YDKG, that one hit at 245, pulled back off of that. It's crazy. CNCK is looking great, dude. Oh, yes. Come to daddy. CNCK is working out real well. Honestly, I'm in the 3 right. I'm pretty much I'm in the 3 I wanted to be on. Fly, CNCK, AHMA, and size CNCK. Let's freaking go, dude.
Yeah, print it.
The Bears don't need nasal spray. Dude. Look, Fades, this is where I've wanted to be, where I'm like, size the hangovers for the love of God. Like, yeah, throw like 50, 100 shares at whatever, you know, the PLRZs, but get heavier on.
There goes PLRZ. Warriors, boys. The Warriors are going.
F me. I bottom tick this.
Oh my God.
Are you still in it?
Yeah.
You re-hit it? You're turning into a degenerate. Yeah, this is exactly what we called for, dude. We knew.
I'm tired of watching this every day, bro. Halt up. Let's go. Print it. Print it.
All right. Are they going to fake the halt up? I'm joining small on the halt up.
Oh God, you chased it. Oh no, dude. No. You're not supposed to be adding now. It's all a trap. I took half off.
Dude, we're opening at like $10. We're good.
It might though. To be honest, like, hey, I don't care anymore, man. If I've been watching this market daily, and I'm ready to flip bias if I need to with these plays. Like, I've had enough of it. You know, price is king. Like, don't get caught up in the story. Nasal spray, 500 million offerings. It doesn't matter, guys. Trade the price. Yeah, you definitely want to know about offerings and not be.
We called this too, even though, God dang it, they bottomed. They took out stops right there, but we knew what they were going to do.
That's why I said when I said that, I drug my stop down. Yeah, I took it. I did, but I mean, I was in super small. Like, I was only in 200 shares, which for me is small, and I drug my stop under 620 because that was exactly what they put the wick in. Okay, fake little bounce, and then wash it under that wick, wash everyone out, reset the trend, spike up, rinse and repeat. It's like you gotta know these tricks, and then when we see them, react to them. I mean, that was a good eye on our part, though. Like, we were on it.
Yeah, just.
All right, so FLYE, is it resumed, guys? That thing's probably about to resume.
We knew what they were going to do. That's the we traded it that way. So it's just, again, executions. It's like we see it. You have the eye for this crazy market, but sizing and timing and where are you putting your stops, all that. It's like that's huge. That's huge.
100%.
Yeah, dude, Fly was halted like 30 minutes into the close yesterday, and it's already. We'll see.
Did they leave that longer? No, it might just be a 10-minute. Usually it's 5 for downs, but it might be a 10. They didn't release anything, guys, did they? And then SMX Piglet, dude, just bouncing up. Could be an idea for small scale short here with established risk levels. But I don't know, dude. What is Sketchball ticker? They're some article came out today trying to pump up all that cash raising and dilution. That's a good thing. Like, I tell you, man, they really paint pigs nowadays. And Bitcoin's flush, and they're still buying that up. Like, crazy.
CNCK still being good to us. Everybody behind their computer in this world trading is looking at PLRZ. It's been like, dude, that we called the market. It's like, look, exactly called it perfect. If it looks weak, buy the freaking thing on up.
Oh, dude, I just found a gap in CNCK at 510.
Oh yeah, I'm kicking back, dude.
Yeah, 514. There's a gap, bro. I mean, I'm kind of worried that 5.5 could find support here and reclaim and just disgust us, but hopefully not. I meant to take some off, but I got distracted.
The reclaim theme's been awful, but man, I'm trying to let one of these hangovers work. So CNCK, I'm leaving on. Fly still halted.
I wanted to catch a 5.556 fill there just in case, man, in this market, but hopefully that's gonna keep bigger picture. Coles entry levels, guys. I'm taking a starter on Coles. Stop's gonna be like above 24.5s with a little more wiggle room. Short, FYI, since I'm longing stuff today. Or long one thing today. For the record, I longed one play.
Yeah. Along one play.
And, I saw that, dude. I saw that crap, man.
Well, good work on that.
Yeah, I mean, you had the right idea too. Just we're a little too tight. Abnormal levels, like we talk about, abnormal levels. That was just textbook. Then faked it, and then one more went, and then they did it.
You said your stop was 628, and I was like, I'm going 627.
Yeah, I know, dude. I know. But it's like,
I was gonna
I'm not
drag
gonna
it down
adjust my
below where
stop
you said.
drastically. But if it's like a few points and I'm not in that big, then I don't really consider that a problem or like breaking rules per
Yeah,
se.
yeah. I would have dragged it down a penny below you though.
Yeah, I should have told you I was dragging it
I'm
down. As soon as I said that, like they might do that, I'm like, they really might. Let me drag it down 10 cents. Like, and that saved my ass, saved me a whole dollar tick versus getting stopped at the bottom. And that's why size a little smaller than you want, give a little more spread than you want. And like that's the winning approach with this market, it feels like.
Yeah, I'm messing with you. That was funny though.
CNCK kind of come back up, dude. God, I missed that fill at 5556. I hope they don't do this. We buy rejection strong. Wow. Wiki, but it did reject. That's sketchball.
I'm gonna get involved there.
Fly resumption.
Fly looking good. Wow. All the way down there.
Nice. Let's go, dude.
Might as well get heavy there.
Not right now, but I mean, I covered some. I'm gonna take a starter back just in case, a leftovers, and then I'll reassess. It's doing that stupid crap where it's glitching again. God, I do this.
What time are we gonna open up on AHMA's looking good, by the way.
CNCK, bro. Oh my god. Look at that. Painful. What's that? On PLRZ? You still there? Pulse check.
Hardly. I'm so bad. I was up so good on CNCK. I'm just thinking about it because I still like CNCK. It's like, are they gonna send that up to $7? I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do there. Drives me freaking crazy. These reclaims drive me freaking crazy. Fly is looking real heavy and bearish, and I'm thinking about taking my anger out on it.
It's so spready, dude.
I know, but I don't know. I might have to put a stop in on CNCK.
CNCK, hopefully this is not going to go anymore. Let me pull the chart. That was just
220, 221.
PLRZ, I got to keep an eye on that one. I still have a position.
221 and 230. I'll put stops in, but I'm not happy about that one. AHMA looking good, and Fly looking real good too still, guys. I really need to lean Fly, I think. So I'm gonna hit Fly again at 10. CNCK stopped me out one part of the position.
Yeah, same.
Spoke Tuna, CNCK is A+ setup. This is a setup I trade all the time. Hangovers.
God, I missed my cover, and that's gross at 5.5, and it goes all the way to 6.2. Oh my God, I just said this, guys. This is such a gross market. Like I'm talking, this is exactly what I just said. I was occupied with multiple tickers, and honestly, I was analyzing, reflecting on that. This is a type of market where you kind of have to tunnel in because of this micro manipulation and price action. It's like you really got to focus on one or two tickers and trade it more, frequently is what it feels like. Like the idea of just sprinkling has not been working because of all this manipulation, like all the chop. That's what I've noticed the past week or so. Like when I focus on one ticker and really lean into the right one is where I'm, printing.
SMX looks all right too. I mean, I don't know. She's stair-steppy. We should be opening up here soon on PLRZ. All right, we opened.
Nice. Damn. I sold. I'm out at 8.
I'm thinking about it.
Just set your stops if anything. we turned into bulls. Coles reclaim. I didn't even get a chance to get a starter. I was occupied. Fly. Given, I guess. This thing's all glitched out.
Fly, I sized into that one.
CNCK. Hopefully that was like the last sweep above 6.
Oh,
it's
CNCK
really,
looking good.
now it's really bigger picture. Now it's really like 520 gap fill vibes. After that we withstood that, you know. You still in? You sold?
I'm out half. Fill me 625, which I don't even see that on the chart. Yeah, 625 is not even on there. BQ had a spike and pulled back off of that. BQ. Yeah, I mean, I'm green, guys. I'm just like infinitely annoyed. It's like when you're up, like I was up a decent chunk on it, and didn't take any. This is the theme, the absolute theme of my life here the last couple weeks is being up, not taking any, looking for bigger picture.
Right. Yeah, the reclaim theme.
All right, PLRZ, just tons of volume here on this name. Yeah, I'm.
You still in it?
Oh no, I mean just a yellow. Like I took most all off.
Yeah, that's smart to leave some. I just had a nice trade on it, so went ahead and locked it up. I know how quick this market is. Like I was scared to even set a stop loss. I figured it would crash before then. That's how scared I am with this market, bro.
Mm-hmm.
All right, is Fly gonna get any more love, or is that thing gonna roll over?
Yeah, Fly, I'm in that 40 shares, which decent. I mean, I want to get even more on it. I want to lean into the ones that are working, right? Lean in.
Mm-hmm.
AHMA, by the way, guys, it looks like it's going to start working out. I'm not just saying that because I'm in it. I mean, she's been trickling down off of that pop.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in that one too.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, right down off that pop. Incredible. Spread sucks though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, Fly is might fly away. Fly like an eagle. Spread sucks there too. It's just
I think it's just so important, man, to fly. Come on down. Trickling down a little bit. CNCK coming back down. I did stop out of half, but you're still with CNCK?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, bigger picture there. Especially after that move.
It's like, is CNCK worth leaning back into? Oh my God, I don't know. I don't want to make an emotional decision there.
I'm in it for a bigger picture.
Yeah, I would like it a lot too for that.
But that big picture just got really ugly really fast. That reclaim, God. Ugh.
A lot of orders. CNCK on the bid side.
Mm-hmm. As it flushes.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. Yeah.
6.
VRCA is spread a little spready. Fly, creepy dumper.
Got to head off to TTP here in just a minute, guys. I think Michael Katz is going to be on there too, CEO. So we'll be continuing that
cool.
over there for a little bit, and then I'm going to one of the teachers at my high school asked me to go talk over there to the kids, so I'm gonna go talk to him about stocks.
Dude, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah, just for
That's what's up. Taking a starter in SMX.
okay. SMX.
That's cool, bro. Going to talk to the kids.
Yeah. Oh well. It's been a little while since I was a high schooler, so hopefully they're receptive and BQ double topping up there at 290s a little bit. BQ in play. But yeah, man, I gotta roll, guys. Good work, Doug.
All right,
We're
brother.
heading over to TTP. Thank you, Fades, as always. Appreciate your infinite wisdom and good long today.
Good work.
Yeah,
Good work.
we'll talk here in a little bit. All right, guys, head over to Trade the Pulse channel. We'll see you in just a second.